Okay, students, we shall continue from in today's class. We will continue from your third bit. This is yes. From third bit, we will continue. We have stopped at third bit G question, I think. Third bit, what is that? Observe the pattern and complete the series. Observe the pattern and complete the series. Observe the pattern and complete the series. Okay. So from G to J I have given the homework. So let us see the answers now. First one is 48505, 48,505. So we have to skip 5 here, no? He has directly given skip 5. 48505, 48510. If you are adding plus 5 to here, you will get this one. Next, add plus 5. 48515, 48520, 48525, 48530, 48535. Just you have to add 5 because he is telling there skip 5, no? So just you have to add 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 boxes are there. So we have filled the 5 boxes starting from 48,505, 48,510, then you will get 515, then you will get 520, 25, 30, 35. Like that your series is deferred by 5, means we have to skip 5, 5, 5. So don't get confused. Skip 5 means just you have to add 5 to the previous number to get the next number. That's all. Okay. This is our G question. Okay. Just you have to add 5. Next one. What is the question? 66300 means 66,300. Here it is a skip 8. 66,608. Okay. So next one, you have to add 8 to this one. 8 plus 8, 16. This is 1. This is 3, 6, 6. Next one is what? 66,316. Okay. If you confuse, you have to add. You have to do the process. Don't add directly. If you are getting confused, you have to add like this. Okay. Next one, to get the next number, you have to add 8 to 66,316. 8 plus 6, 14. This is 2. This is 3, 6, 6. So if you are adding 8 to this 66,316, so what you will get? 66,324. 66,324. 6 plus 8 is 14. 2, 3, 6, 6. Next one. Plus 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 3, 3, 6, 6. This is the next number. Okay. 66332 is the next number. Okay. Next we have to add 8 to this number. 8 plus 2, 10. 3 plus 1, 4. 3, 6, 6. 66340. 66,340 is the next number. What I am doing to get the next number, I am adding 8 to the previous number. So I want this number, I want next number, no? So this is the previous number to that one. So I am adding 8 plus 8. 66348 is the answer. Okay. 66348 is the answer. So like that we have to add 8 to the previous number to get the next number. How many? So after 8, so see here, 8 table, 8 2 ja 16, 8 3 ja 24, 8 4 ja 32, 8 5 is 40, 8 6 is 48, like that. So you are getting the series here. 5 are completed. 5 blanks you have to fill there, 5 are completed. Okay. Next one, I 78,200. This is very simple. You have to skip 100 there. Next one is 78,000. To this you have to add 100, no? 300 you will get. 78,400, 78,500, 78,600, 78,700, 78,800. 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 you have filled. 400, 500, 600, 700, 800. Because it is there, skip 100. That's all. Next one is what? J. Okay. 99. Sorry, what is that? 99,900. 99,900. What you have to do? You have to skip 10. Next one is 99,910, 99,920, 99,930, 99,940, 99,950. Okay. So next one is 99,960. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 numbers are completed now, so you have to fill them in the blanks. See here, 99,900, 910, 920, 930, 940, 950, 960. Last 3 digits I am talking about. Okay. So there will be a change in only tens place. That's all. Because we are adding 10 to each number. No, skip 10 means we are adding 10 to each number. Before for previous question, that is I, that is there, skip 100 means you have to add 100. Before that we are having skip 8, you have to add 8. Skip 5, you have to add 5 to the previous number to get the next number. Okay, that is how you should do this. Okay. So what is the next one? Fourth bit. So we have completed a third bit from A to J. Everything we have completed clearly. Now we will continue with our fourth bit. Write the number given by its expanded form. Write the number given by its expanded form. Okay. Write the number given by its expanded form. First question is one 10,000. 1 10,000 plus 1 10,000 plus 5,000s plus 100 plus 6 tens plus 4 ones. Okay. 1 10,000 means 1 into 10,000. 5,000 means plus 5 into 1,000. Okay. Here 1 into 100 means 1 into 100. 100 means 1 into 100. 5 thousands. 5 number of thousands. Number of thousands are how much? 5. So 5 into 1,000. Here 1 10,000. Only 1 10,000. So 1 into 10,000. Here 6 tens. 6 into 10. Here 4 ones. 4 into 1. What he said? He has given the expanded form. This is the expanded form. You have to sum up all those and you have to write what is the final number. Okay, so here let us add this 10,000 plus 5,000. 5 into 1000 means 5,000 plus 1 into 100 means 100. Okay, add all this. 6 into 10 means 60 plus 4. What is the number? So this is 10,000 plus 5,000. You will get 15,000 plus 100, 164. 100 plus 60 means 160 plus 4, 164. What is the final answer? 15,164. This is the answer. So see this. 10,000 means 10,000 plus 5 into 1000 means 5,000. What you will get? 10,000 plus 5,000 means you will get 15,000. Here it is 1 into 100 means 100. 6 into 10 means 60. 4 into 1 means 4. 100 plus 60 plus 4. What you will get? 164. 15,164 is the answer. This is the final number. If you are adding all this, you will get this number. This is the expanded form. This is the numerical which you got after adding. Okay, so like this you have to write for each question. So first one is completed, no? So this one is the answer. He gave this for example. From next we have to solve. Okay, next one is B. 5,000 plus 800s plus 7 tens plus 3 ones. So this is the B. 5,000s, 800s, 7 tens, 3 ones. How to write this? So 5,000s means 5 into 1000. Okay, 5,000s means 5 means how many thousands are there? 5,000s. So 5 into 1000. 5 number of thousands. This is the number it is showing. How many thousands are there? 5 are there. How many hundreds are there? 8 are there. So 8 into 100. Okay. 7 tens. 7 into 10 means there are 7 tens. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. Like that you have to add 7 tens. So instead of adding all this, you can do 7 into 10 means you will get 70, no? Multiplication. Okay. Plus 3 into 1. 3 ones means 3 into 1. 5,000s means 5 into 1000. 8 hundreds means 8 into 100. 7 tens means 7 into 10. 3 ones means 3 into 1. Okay. Like that you have to do. 5 into 1000 means 5,000 plus 8 into 100 means 800 plus 7 into 10 means 70. These numbers are, what are these saying? These numbers are saying that there are 5,000s means 5 number of thousands are there. 1000 plus 1000 plus 1000 plus 1000 plus 1000. Like that there are 5,000s. So we did directly 5 into 1000. 8 hundreds are there. 100, 100, 100, 100 like that 8 are there. So directly we did 8 into 100. Here 7 tens. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus. Like that we are having 7 tens. So 7 into 10. Here 3 ones. 1 plus 1 plus 1. That is 3 ones. Okay. Like that we have to do. Here 3 into 1 means 3. 3 into 1 is 3. Okay. So what is the final answer? 5,000. Here 800 plus 70 plus 3. How much? 873. 500 plus 873. These three are added so that we will get this number. So add these two. What you will get? 5,873 is the final answer. Okay. That's all. This is the final answer. You have to write this in the box. Okay. Very simple, very easy. Next one we shall see. Okay. So B we have completed. Next one C. What is that? 9 10,000s. 9 10,000s plus 9,000s plus 9 hundreds plus 9 tens plus 9 ones. So what is this? 9 10,000s, 9 thousands, 9 hundreds, 9 tens, 9 ones. So 9 10,000s means how much? 9 into 10,000. 9 number of 10,000s. Okay. 9 thousands means 9 into 1000. 9 number of thousands. 9 hundreds means 9 into 100. Okay. 9 into 100. 9 tens means 9 into 10 plus 9 ones means 9 into 1. So this is 90,000 plus this is 9,000 plus this is 900. This is 90,000 we will get. This one you will get 9,000. This is 900 plus this is 90 plus this is 9. What is the final answer? 99,000 plus, if you are adding all this, what you will get? 999 you will get. Okay, add these two, you will get 99,000. Add these three, okay, you will get 999. Or else directly you can write what? 99,999. This is the final answer. I am going step by step for your clear understanding. If you know what is the number, if you know the addition directly, you can write the number directly. Okay, but I am going step by step for your understanding. Okay, the answer is 99,999. Okay, so this one is your C answer, 99,999. Next one is what? D. D is what? 6 10,000s plus 3,000s plus 700s plus 8 tens plus 0 ones. Okay, just a minute. So what is the question? 6 10,000s, 3,000s, 700s, 8 tens and 0 ones. 6 10,000s means 6 into 10,000. 3,000s means 3 into 1,000. 700s means 7 into 100. Okay, 7 into 100 only. Plus 8 into 10. 8 tens means 8 into 10. Plus 0 into 1 means you will get 0 into 1 means this is 0. Okay, so no need to write this. Okay, 0 ones means 0 into something is always 0, so no need to write this. Okay, so what you have to do? 6 into 10,000 you will get 60,000 plus 3 into 1,000 means you will get 3,000 plus 7 into 100 means you will get 700 plus 8 into 10 means you will get 80. Okay, 60,000 plus 3,000, what you will get? 63,000 plus 700 plus 80, 780. 63,780 is the final answer. This is the final answer. After you solve all this, you will get this one. What is the 10,000 means 6 into 10,000. You got this now, 60,000. 3 into 1,000 means 3,000. 7 into hundreds means you will get 700. 8 into 10 means 80. 0 ones means 0 into something 0. So no number is there in ones place. What is there? 60,000 plus 3,000 plus 700 plus 80. If you are adding these are in thousands, no? 3,000, 60,000. Add these two, you will get 63,000. This is 700 plus 80, 780. Or add all this, you will get the final number, this one. 63,780 is the answer. Okay. Next one. What is the next one? E. 7 ten thousands plus 0 thousands. What I said, 0 thousands means 0 into 1000. 0 into any number is 0. So no need to write this because 0 into 1000 is 0 only. No need to write. Okay. Plus 0 hundreds. This is also 0 into something equal to 0 only. Okay. Plus 0 tens. 0 tens. 0 into 10. How much? 0. 0 into any number is 0. Okay. Plus 4 ones. So what you have to do? These are all 0. So don't count this. Just what you want, 7 into 10,000. Plus only these two are there. No, this is 0, this is 0, this is 0. Only these two are remaining. So 4 into 1 means 4 into 1. Okay. 4 ones, 4 into 1. This is 70,000 plus 4 into 1 is 4. What is the answer? 70,004 is the answer. If you are adding plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 also, if you are adding plus 0, 3 zeros also, you will get the same number. So if 0 into something is there, 0. So don't neglect it. Don't add this. Directly we can write 0. Okay. For that term only. Not total 0. For that term, 0 thousands means 0 into 1000. This is 0. So no need to add this. Okay. Like that we have to do. What is the final answer? 7 into 10,000 means 70,000. All are zeros except 4 into 1s. So you will get 4 in the ones place. 70,004 is the answer. That's all. So with this we have completed your fourth bit. What is a fourth bit? This one. Write the numbers given by its expanded form. This one we have completed. Okay, let us see the next one. What is the next bit? Fifth bit. Write the following numbers in the expanded form. Write the following numbers in the expanded form. Okay. Write the following numbers in the expanded form. This is the question. In previous bit what we did, he has given some number in expanded form. We have added all them and all of them we have converted into a numerical. Yes, he has given in expanded form, we have to write into numerical previous bit. But here he gave the number, we have to write the expanded form. Reverse we have to do. So read the heading, you will understand. Write the following numbers in the expanded form. Means you have to write here in the expanded form. In previous bit what he gave a expanded form, we have to write the number. So that is the difference. So read the heading very carefully. The star means heading is, you have to read it 2-3 times if you don't understand. Okay, read it carefully and then answer the questions. First one, fifth bit, first one is 2159. How will you expand this one? So from here we have to start. From the, this is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, no? From highest place we have to start. What? You have to start expanding. Okay. So 2 thousands means here 2 into 1000. 2 thousands means 2 into 1000. Okay. Plus 1 hundreds. This is called the expanded form. Okay. Means 1 into 100. For your understanding only I am writing this down. Okay. This is 5 tens. 5 in tens place. 5 tens. 9 ones. Okay. So 2 is in thousands place. So 2 thousands. 1 is in hundreds place, 1 hundreds. 5 in tens place, 5 tens. 9 in ones place, 9 ones. That's all. So what is the meaning of this? If you write it mathematically in the numerical form, 5 tens means 5 into 10, 9 ones means 9 into 1. Like that you have to understand it very clearly. Okay, this is how you have to follow. This is the first one. This is he gave this for your example how to write. Next one we will see how to write. Okay, what is that? B. 12,463. Okay, is it clear? B 12,463. So we will convert this into expanded form. So this is ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. TTH means 10,000s place. So start from highest place. What is that? 10,000s only, no? You have to come from left to right. Left to right. Like this you have to come. Left to right. Okay. So 1 10,000. 1 is in which place? 10,000, no? 1 10,000. 10,000 plus 2 thousands. 2 is in thousands means 2 thousands. Okay, plus 4 is in which place? Hundreds place, 4 hundreds. This is very easy technique what I am saying. Okay, 6 is in which place? Tens place, 6 tens, plus 3 is in which place? Ones place, 3 ones. That's all. 1 is in 10,000s place, so 1 10,000. 2 in which place? Thousands place, 2 thousands. 4 is in which place? Hundreds place, 4 hundreds. 6 is in which place? Tens place, 6 tens. 3 is in which place? Ones place, so 3 ones. So if you are adding all this, you will get this number only. See, let us see. 1 10,000 means 10,000. 1 into 10,000, no. What is this? We will get 10,000 only. 2 thousands means 2 into 1000 means 2000. 2 into 1000 is 2000 only, no. 400 means 4 into 100. What is that? 400. 6 into 10 means 6 10. 6 60. 6 into 10 is 60. 3 ones means 3 into 1 plus 3. Okay. So if you are adding all this, what you will get? This is 10,000 plus 2,000, 12,463 plus 400 plus 60 plus 3. What you will get? 463. 12,463 is the final answer. So once you have expanded, again you should check it very carefully that after adding all these, you are getting this number only. What he gave in the question. You should not alter the numbers. Your number should remain same. That's how you have to expand. So if here it is there 4 in hundreds place. Don't write 5 here. 5 hundreds like that. We are this given number only we are expanding. Okay. You should not change the number. You should not change the number, or else you will be mistaken. Okay. This is the answer, means expanded form. Just simply what I am saying, divide them into the respective places. Ones place, tens place, 100 place, 1,000, 10,000. So take the digit. Here it is in 10,000's place, 1 is there. So 1 into 10,000 like that. Here 2 is there. 2 in which place? Thousands place. 4 in which place? Hundreds place, 4 hundreds. Plus 6 is in which place? Tens place, 6 tens. Plus 3 is in which place? Ones place, 3 ones. That is very easy to do. Okay. This is your B. Okay. So I have said up to B. From next class we will discuss from C, D, E. We will discuss in the next class. Which one? Fifth bit? C, D, E. This is for your homework. Okay. Once again I will explain this in the next class, but I want to know whether you understood the concept or not. So you have to do the homework. CDE of 5th bit, page number 71 in your textbook. You have to do this for your homework. Next class I will say. Then you have to check whether you did correct or not. If any mistake is going, where it is going, you have to understand that. Okay? We will continue in the next class.